Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another video, and in this one we low-key might be talking about the last week of Supreme. We got some confirmed shit for this week. Honestly, I feel like it has to be the last week because how is Fall Winter 21 gonna still be going on in 22? I don't think they've ever done that in the past, and I don't think it's about to start now. So hey, this is probably the last week for Fall Winter 21, which is cool because I'm about to start posting about way more sneakers on the channel, so stay tuned. Leave a like on this video if you're doing up enjoying. Subscribe to the channel because we're giving away this beanie right here, the playing cards, and 5 box logo stickers to one lucky winner. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow nori.archives on Instagram. The link is in the description. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, we only have 5 pieces releasing this week so far. The Yankees Goretex collaboration, we gotta fit it. I'm gonna talk about the whole thing real quick. We got the 700 fill Goretex jacket, which is gonna be releasing in 3 different colorways. You got the red, the green, and then the navy. In my opinion, the red is the hardest one. Second up would be the navy for me, but I do think this jacket is body, bro. Like, this shit is sick as fuck. I'm a Yankees fan, you feel me? Born in New York, so that's just the way that it is. And as far as resale goes, honestly, it all depends on what the retail is gonna be. I know this is Goretex, so it's gonna be a little bit steep, and this is probably not gonna have too much of a margin as far as resale goes, but I feel like you'll probably be able to make $60 to $80 on this, unless you decide to hold it. If you do that, then you making some bread in the future for sure. Second, we got the box logo Yankees beanie. This is basically the same shit but on a beanie. I think this is gonna come out in like 6 different colors. My favorite being that cream with the red box logo. That might be the piece that I go for this week. I feel like it's subtle. It has that little Supreme pop and it has that cream color. I feel like that's a fire pickup in my opinion. But as far as the other colorways go, they're clean, bro. That pink is fire. You got the black and then the red. I feel like you can't go wrong with either one of these. But personally, that cream with the red is my favorite. These are box logo beanies, so I don't know if they're gonna resell or not. You know what I'm saying? They are BOGO beanies essentially with the New York Yankees logo somewhere in there, you feel me? These are hard. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about those. We do have the box logo fitteds, which honestly, I don't think I could get these. The logo on these bitches is way too much. Like, this shit is big as and everywhere. I feel like it's too loud. I might sleep on this one. I don't know. Maybe the black. I think I'm good on this one. Maybe that tan color. It's just too much. Honestly, I never really liked when they did too much on the back of the hat. Maybe like some stitching, some little logos and shit, but not the same logo around the whole back of this shit. You feel me? Like, that's OD, like OD. We got the Yankees Airbrush Skateboard. This is actually cool. You feel me? Like, I would display this somewhere in the back or over here. But do I need another skate deck? No. I have like 9 and I don't use none of them, bro. That's like almost $800 to $1,000 worth of skate decks that I don't use. So no, I do not need this. I will not be buying this, low-key. And I do think it's hard though. The graffiti on this goes hard. I love that black with the white. That's clean. The brown is cool. This is cool. But I don't think it's something that I need personally. And last up for the Yankees, we got the Timberland collab. The beef and brock originals. You got the raw meat and spaghetti red and cream joints. You got the black and white Tims, and then you got the well dones. You feel me? The well dones brown with the blue Tims. I'm good on all of that. Like, no, they got the well dones, bro. Dead ass. Like, look at the brown Tims and tell me them shits don't look like a well done piece of steak. I'm gonna put a picture of a steak right there. We good on all this shit. All this shit is a pass. You got hella Yankees logo. I feel like Timberland and Supreme hasn't made anything good in like 4 years. I don't even know how long, but it's just been a minute, bro. The American flag joints, bro, who is doing those? So many possibilities, and you go with this shit right here. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think about the well dones. I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They actually sent me some pieces that I do want to show you. In this first envelope, we do have the Laura Bold chain. I honestly really do love the links on this one. They're not super thin, which I am a fan of. and they just have a really good feel to it. This is definitely a solid piece that you could just wear more subtly. It gives that little accent for men. Obviously for women it would hang a little bit more. If you're looking for something that isn't too long or too short, it's honestly a little bit longer than a choker for men. I feel like if you layer this with something else, it would look solid. The second envelope has a ring in it, and honestly I was a big fan of this braided ring. I just thought that it looked so sick. I got this one in a size 9. It's like a pinky ring vibe, and I feel like this is a good one. I have a lot of silver jewelry, so to add some gold rings to the collection is fire. Definitely clean rope braided ring. Let me know what you guys think about this one. The last pickup is in this envelope right here. Let's go ahead and take this out. This one's called the Rowena bracelet. I got it in a size 8. It's like a little dainty flower type beat bracelet. I'm not gonna lie, I think this bracelet is hard as f. I love the little plate right here. I could make it tighter if I wanted to. This bracelet is fire. The little flowers on it just give it a little subtle vibe, you feel me? What I like about their brand is that it's so subtle that you can honestly just wear it on a day-to-day basis. So let me know what you guys think about these pieces. Honestly, all 3 of these are my favorite so far. This Laura Bold necklace is fire. I love the thickness of it. The Chloe ring is definitely a vibe, and then the Rowena bracelet low-key is a banger. Let me know what you guys think about these pieces. They do have a 10% off plus up to 60% off as an end of year sale. All you have to do is click my link at the top of the description and check out their website. They're actually really affordable, plus with all the sales going on, you can get these pieces at a fraction of the original cost. So make sure you go ahead and click that link in the description. But let's get back into this video. So I think it's only fitting that I talk about the Jordan 1 patent breads. These are gonna drop on December 30th, which is Supreme Day low-key, so I might as well talk about them. There's gonna be around 130,000 pairs, which is rumored for Nike, but I feel like these are gonna be a little bit harder to get. They are breads. Hopefully we can get our hands on these. I would love to do a review on them. Let me know what you guys think about these. I feel like prices are gonna dip a little, and then they're gonna obviously do what they do best. They're gonna keep going up. We all know that the bread Jordan 1s is an iconic colorway, so the fact that they're doing this right here is kind of a little twist on what the bread Jordan 1 is. Honestly, am I the biggest fan of the patent leather on it? No, I would always love a pair of red Jordan 1s regular, you feel me? But I definitely am gonna try to get my hands on these. Great alternative if you don't have the bread Jordan 1s, and this one right here is a must cop at the end of this year. I feel like if these would have released a little bit earlier in the year, they would have been on a lot of people's top 10 sneakers of the year, but the fact that they're literally releasing a day before the year ends, they're probably gonna go unnoticed. So yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more new content, more new shit on the way. With this new year coming in, there's a bunch of new ideas and just a lot of shit that I want to work on, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel because we do have a giveaway going on right now, and hey, you don't want to miss out on that. Subscribe and follow nori.archives. Once again, make sure you check out Ana Luisa. The link will be at the top of the description, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.